buy call comes from Axiata Group Berhad, one of our top picks within the telecommunication sector as well. So if you look at the chart over here, price has actually just made a bearish divergence move as the uptrend lose its momentum. However, that bearish divergence move has actually found strong support at its 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level, where price has rebounded and returned back above all of its moving average line. And we could see recently price also has just rebounded once again from its 21-day and also 50-day EMA line, which actually resembles a bullish flag pattern. So that is usually a bullish continuation move. And if you look at the moving average line over here, we could see that both the 21-day EMA and 50-day EMA line are sloping upward, which is a good sign that this current upward uptrend setup over here has been confirmed by bullish sentiment. However, bear in mind that this advance over here came with a declining volume, which means that that momentum is not yet that strong. However, if you look at the longer term momentum readings, such as the MACD reading, you can see that this reading over here from a decline mode from its bearish divergent mode has actually rebounded and returned back to the positive reading, which is a good sign that this broader uptrend for our Axiata Group could actually continue and might test our next technical target at 2.87. And our strong support over here has been set at 2.34. If price breaks below this level, this could be a start of a bearish continuation move, as price might make a double bottom breakout. We could see over here, this could be its first bottom, and maybe if price fail to continue to rise upward and continue to decline, this could serve as a second double bottom pattern. All right, so that's it for Axiata Group. Next, let's go to our next technical buy call, which is Ramsol Group Berhad. So for Ramsol, we could see over here the broader uptrend, just like Axiata earlier, has lost its steam as this shows signs of bearish divergence where the uptrend remains intact. However, momentum indicators such as the RSI and also the MACD readings are declining. You can see over here, price has been trading within its falling wedge pattern over here. However, the previous bearish divergence patterns has also been invalidated as price has actually returned or broken above its falling wedge pattern over here. And we could see that price not only has just broken above its falling wedge pattern, but it also recently, yesterday, has returned back above all of its moving average lines with high volume over here. So this shows that the uptrend or the broader uptrend has actually returned. And if the 21-day EMA, the blue line over here, could actually cross above the 50-day SMA line, this could mark a sign of confirmed bullish continuation move and might actually test our next technical target at 1.00. So that's it for Ramsol Group Berhad. And lastly, we have a technical buy call on Ventris Energy Berhad. So recently, Ventris Energy, if you look at the news, it recently made a lot of headlines. And if you look at the chart setup over here, there's an improve in bullish sentiment from its sharp decline recently. You can see over here from its August 2025 peak, it has actually declined quite severely. However, and recently around this September 25 low, it has actually just made a new all-time low. However, price has actually rebounded strongly recently. And if you could look at yesterday, it has rebounded again once more by 6.6%. So this base building or this consolidation over here is a good sign of bullish divergence signs where price remains in a downtrend. However, momentum is strengthening, where you can see over here, RSI also, even though it remains below the 50 level, it already started to make a new higher low structure, which means that bullish momentum remain elevated. And you can see also the MACD readings over here, even though it remains in a sharp negative territory. However, it just recently made a bullish crossover where the blue line over here crossed above the orange line. And price is now testing the 21-day EMA line. And if price could actually close above this 21-day EMA line, this could confirm that bullish momentum has strengthening, which we believe could be imminent, given that yesterday we saw a surge in trading volume as compared to previous months. And we can see over here, the surge in trading volume has been the highest since May 2025, which is a good positive outlook for the bullish momentum. So watch out if price once again rises and close above this 21-day EMA line, currently at 0.570, that could be a sign that the bullish reversal move could actually resume. Hey!